Hello YouTube, how's everybody? Hey, this is Bob. I'm from my manhole. You can tell from all this clutter. Anyway, I got these two axes about 10 days, a week ago. This one was from Slovenia, and it's a nice axe. I did make video. And this one is made in Taiwan from cold steel called Trail Boss, and they're pretty good. But this one did not come with any leather cover, a sheath, and this one did have a, little plastic thing, but you tend to get lost. So, and it's already lost. So anyway, so what do I do? So so to make a simple do-it-yourself sheath, this is what I did. I'll show you. So there you go. It's covered, nice and secure, and not sharp. This is very easy to do. So what I do is just take a piece of cardboard, fold it in and then just use staples like this one, staple the double row right here, one row here, one row there, and then another row here, and then you got your cover right there. You see, this is very stable, very secure. It's not going to come off. So take that off. See? And to put that back on. There you go. Very secure, very safe. And this will stay on for years. You can store that away for years. It won't be broken. It won't get dull. Your axe won't get dull either. That's it. Thank you for watching.